The side deflector is attached to the side of your lawnmower's deck. It covers the side discharge opening so you can use your mower to mulch the grass. The plastic door can wear over time. It can become cracked by a flying object or break where it attaches to the hinge pin. Replacing the side deflector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the hinge pin from the side deflector. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to slide the hinge pin away from the spring and bracket. Now I can install the new side deflector. I place one end of the torsion spring through the small hole in the side deflector. Now I'll align this assembly with the bracket. Now I'll insert the hinge pin through the deflector, the bracket, and into the spring. I'll only insert it about an inch. Then I'll take some needle nose pliers, grab the leg on the opposite end of the spring, and bend it around so it's on top of the deck. Then I'll use a hammer to tap the hinge pin the rest of the way through. And that's how you can install a new side deflector on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.